Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I am very late. Like the last video which I put was something regarding my weight loss journey. I clearly remember that. So today's video is going to be the must buy products which you should own in your cart. Like in every girl's cart, those products should be enlisted in. And without any further delay, just let's get on to the video. And now from now onwards you will not face any kind of delays in my video, because I will be regular till the time I can, and I have plenty of ideas in my head so I can execute them well to you all. So let's get to the track, and I'll show you the must have products in your cart, whether it you be a girl or a boy. It like some of the products are unisexual, so even boys can use it, so never mind. So yes, let's get into the video. Hi guys, so we are back with another video, and my last video I guess was on how I transformed myself from a 95 kgs to 55 kgs. So that was the video in which I spoke really about what all I went through my journey and everything. So this video is going to be a little what is self-care, like all of my self-care, what I use on my body, and what are the essential products that every girl must have in their routine, be it a bath and body routine or be it your skincare. So skincare specifically, I'm not using much of the products since my dermat has restricted me to just 2 to 3 products, and that I can't show on the video because it is prescribed to me through a prescription, and I cannot reveal it, since if it might not work for you, then it might cause you trouble. Okay, so getting on to the video, we will not stretch it much, and we will just start with the video with its main agenda. That is, I am going to show you all that what all products I use for my bathing and for my general self-care, which is like very minimal. Like I watch videos of girls using lot of products on their body and everything, but I feel the more you are minimalistic, the more you are giving. So yes, that's my mantra, so I abide by that. Okay, so the very first product, which was very hyped product, I went through a lot of reels, I went through a lot of videos, and after that recommendation of a lot of my friends, I took this Hyphen skin barrier cream. Kid you not guys, this is really one of the best I have taken, I feel, because it really complements my skin well, and it also has some amount of peptides and ceramides which are really protective and an undercover sheer for your skin. So you should take this in a consideration. So first of all, for the skincare part, I just recommend Hyphen. And besides that, if I talk about my sunscreen, I also use UV Dox, which is recommended by my dermat, and I will not emphasize you to take it because it depends skin to skin, but this is recommended for combination skin, since I have a combination skin, since I am prone to acne. So yeah, it helps me any which ways. So the next product, I got this from I was like wondering what to take from Miniso one day, and I went randomly there. So my site went to this cleansing foam, makeup removing cleansing foam, and this worked magical for me. Like I was feeling like, what if the Miniso products are not good for the skin and it may damage your skin texture and all, but it really didn't. And it's like a good thing whenever I put makeup. So I use this instead of my face wash. I double cleanse basically. So for my double cleansing procedure, I use this makeup remover first, and then I move towards my face wash. So yeah, this is the second product, which is an essential for everyone. Like, see, makeup remover can be anything. Most of the girls use micellar water, okay, but something out of the box which I prefer, like micellar water, I have also used a number of times. Like till the time I was in 12th class, or maybe in the starting of my duration of college, I used to go with micellar water, and it suited my skin very well. But yes, then when I just came towards this product, this really changed my life, and so does my skin. So my skin feels like baby bump, and I really feel to put it and use it judiciously. And it was very of a reasonable cost. I feel it was of just 250 rupees. So yeah, as much as you pay for your micellar water, you have to pay for this. So you can keep this in a recommendation thing. I will just put towards the focus, and you can just take one step for this product. Okay, so the next product. Who loves to smell heavenly? Who does not loves to smell like, a garden of roses? So I have a very, very bagged philosophy of smelling very, very good. Like, I like people who smell good, it attracts me well, even if it's like, opposite gender, of course. Like, in my girl gang, I always pitch on to the girls that, please use body mist, please use body oils. So I'm a really, really big fan of body mist. So I have a huge collection of body mist, and my knowns know that how much I apply on my body, because I keep telling them, I got this, I got that. So recently I got from Miniso this dopamine mode body mist, and kid you not, it's one of my favorite, and I've applied it and I've almost emptied half of the bottle, though I got it initially in the first week of January. क्रिबिंग करके कि मुझे कुछ चाहिए मिनीसो से, अगेन दैट फेटिश टू टेक एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम मिनीसो, बट यू कांट बिकॉज यू कैन गो bankrupt. Yeah, so this was another magic thing I got. And besides this, guys, I have a lot of collection in my wardrobe and in my makeup room. So that involves all the vanilla fragrances. I prefer taking vanilla fragrances a lot because I'm a huge vanilla. I prefer taking vanilla flavor things. So yeah, I like it. And this one is also very, very strong and a very nice smell fragrance, and it stays in your body up to 24 hours. It lasts till 24 hours, so you can take it, you can put it in your recommendation, and you can use it. So yeah, I'll just focus it for you. And yeah, again, it costs very friendly. It is just 260 rupees, so you can get this and you will like it, I sure. So is this Bella Vita Date Moisturizer. I am in love with this moisturizer from the day I got this, and it smells so nice. Like, I use their body wash also. So a quite nice product and an aromatic product. The fragrance is very aromatic, and once you apply it, it stays in your body till 24 hours, and you don't feel the need to put any perfume or any deodorant. It works well. So my go-to combination for a if I go on a date or if I go out is these two. So these two rest on my body well, and they give me 24 hours fragrance. So why not to use both of these combos together? So again, this is one of the preference that girls can put in their checklist of body care is this. And this is also very cost friendly. It just costed me 325 rupees. So all products which I'm showing are very budget friendly. They are not very high branded products, because I prefer the more minimalistic you are in your life, the more products you can assure the quality of. Because max products which are of a very high end quality can give you a very bad impression also at first. Because I was thinking to use the Snail Mucin Essence serum, but then I got lot of bad reviews for it, so I just abstained myself from using it. So yeah, another recommendation for y'all is this, and you should. And it has many of the fragrances there. CEO Women is there, and then there is Lily also, Date also. I have Date. There is Cuddle also in this, so I have the Date one. So it works well, and boys quite get impressed. Yeah. Okay, so the next product which we have on the cart is my favorite Plum Body Vanilla Oil. Guys, I'm just in love with the vanilla smell. I started using vanilla quite months back, when I randomly purchased from Zara vanilla perfume. I don't remember the exact name of the perfume, but I purchased it in a very much high-ended approach, that wow, I will use it, and I just got addicted to the smell. Like, it was so nice. So this was the product. I used it earlier also. I got to know about this product through some influencers, so I thought that why not to purchase it, why not to give it a try, and why not to just rub it all off your body. It also makes your body like a baby, cute baby's body. So when you apply it, especially in winters, it gives you a quiet protection from the dry skin, because I am a dry skin person, so I get dry skin over my face also. So yes, it's not to apply on the face, but on the all of your body, all of your hands and your legs, you can do this. So yeah, this is another recommended product from me, and I give it 5 stars. Even if it is a length of 5 stars, I would give it a 10 on 10 or even a 100 on 100 max, because this is something very nice. And I feel this can be even applied by boys because it's no harm, because it's made from very infused oils. So even boys can put it into a recommendation of applying this vanilla vibe, and they'll also, you know, feel very aromatic kind of experience after applying this. So my last of last products that I have been using for like past 8 months, and now it's going to be a year. Like in this year अगर पूरा टोटल करा जाए तो 1 साल हो जाएगा मैं इस प्रोडक्ट को यूज़ कर रही हूँ, जो कि बाय फॉक्सटेल है. सो दिस वॉज अ प्रोडक्ट विच आई ट्रस्टेड इन विथ फॉक्सटेल, बिकॉज कीपिंग इन माइंड दैट माई डर्मैट हैज़ just, you know, abstained me from using any product, like any big product. She said just don't use anything. So uske against jaake I got this product, and this is such a nice product. Again, yes, if I have to talk about the sexuality of this product, then this product can be either used by boys or girls, because this is an overnight glow face mask. All you have to do is you just have to take 2 to 3 pumps of this, okay, and you just have to apply in a circular motion all over your face and massage it well and leave it. And once you wake up in the morning, you have to just rinse off with the cold water. That's all. You don't have to apply face wash and then rub it off. You just have to rinse it off with a cold water or a warm water, vice versa, whichever suits your skin. But according to the dermat and everybody that I have experienced is that one should, you know, wash their face with cold water in the morning, because in the morning your face activates certain energies that are to be meant to be washed with cold water. So there is some kind of thing. So I have read it. I keep on reading articles on skin and on any kind of products which I feel interested in. So yeah, this was my last product that I feel that it should be a must in your cart. And above all, I have shown the very necessary things, you know, which can be taken up by you. Frame अच्छा नहीं आ रहा. So guys, in totality, मैंने आप लोगों को वो सारे प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाए हैं जो कि इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी टू बी इन योर कार्ट. एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो शोन 2 products which even boys can use. So this video is not just sponsored for girls, but it's also meant for boys if any of the boys are watching this video. And these are very essential part of your, you know, everyday thing, to smell like divine, and you know, to have a soft body texture, not a rough body texture. So for all of that, I have shown the very necessary products. And yes, this magic product which I had shown in the last of my video, please make it a try. You won't get, you know, any disappointment after using this product. You will only purchase it again and again, because this really works well. Prior, you need to give it a time of 2 to 3 months to let it settle on your skin, but the effects are visibly, you know, clearer in 2 to 3 weeks. So yes, it's a must buy product, and if you purchase it from Flipkart, you will get it at a good rate. If you purchase it from the online official website, then the price may differ, but the actual price for this, if I have to tell you, is $5.95. But I got it from Flipkart at a very reasonable rate that time, because might there be a sale going on, and I took the advantage of it and I just rushed upon this product. So this is going to be my 5th bottle to, you know, restock. So yes, with this the video, and I really hope that this video helps you to store in the best of you for your bath and body things. And it's very necessary even for boys or girls to, you know, smell good, be good, because if you don't smell good, you stay, you know, not activated at all. Your body dopamine level goes down to the level. So that was all it for the video, and I hope I keep coming up with the more videos, more ideas. And if any one of you needs any other suggestions, you can put it down in the comment box, and you can help me improve my video quality, because I am just new to this thing and I have been only the person creating reels, nothing else, no content, nothing. I'm not meant for that, but I feel like if I give it a try, I can do it. So this was another video where I showed that all the necessary essential bath and body essentials that one must have. So with this, we'll take it off a leave from this video, and I hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe, share and like my channel, and keep commenting, keep pointing on your suggestions, whatever you feel like. If you want any dietary thing, I can do it that, but I think that is a little oldish on this platform since many of the creators are doing it. But yeah, you can just DM me, drop a DM to me on my Insta. I'll attach my Instagram also here, so feel free to reach. And yes, please subscribe to my channel, it will mean a lot to me. It will just boost my confidence that I can create more such content. So with this, we'll take off a bye, and I hope you guys like my video and you support me. And yes, I have started this journey today, and I hope that I stay consistent with it and I do wonders in it, because I have just thought of starting with it maybe. Yeah, so yeah, I'll not chit chat much because I am a big yapper, and I'll not take much of your time. So bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like to my channel. Moi.